See all these plastic pipes, looks like he's going into the ground. So let me know if you know what these are for. Is it for gas? Is it for water? You know, what are these for? But certainly a huge project. And welcome back to our brand new video. So it's a bit of a ghost town today in Blackpool. There's not really much going on, but apparently it was all going on yesterday in sort of Central Drive with that e-bike. So I've seen a few videos of that, and it looks like I missed that one. But yeah, so like I said, we're back out. Like I said, there's not much going on, but there's an awful lot of roadworks just as soon as we start this video off. And this is just at the back of the Velvet Coaster. So like I said, these roadworks are all along the promenade, and this is like the south side of Blackpool. So like I said, this is just the front of the Velvet Coaster. We have a bit of a stroll down, and like I said, it is all open for business this way, but like I said, some major repairs going on. It's a bit sort of like weaving in and out of the cones, shall I say, up this neck of the woods. You see all these plastic pipes, looks like he's going into the ground. So let me know if you know what these are for. Is it for gas? Is it for water? You know, what are these for? But certainly a huge project. So this is Station Road, and you certainly feel the nip in the air today. Like I said, it's going to get quite cold, unfortunately, for the next few days until it warms up again. But you can see there's no one really around at all. How quiet is the south side? And to be fair, the north side is not much really going on up there as well. We'll have a bit of a walk down the north side. So just a bit of a walk around video today, just see if there's anything new, what's going on. But like I said, you can see the south side is certainly quiet. So it looks like Central Pier, or not Central, shall I say, it looks like South Pier. He's having a bit of work doing to it. So you see all the guys out. So I'd imagine they're getting all this ready for when it'll be opening very soon. And like I said, once it opens, you know, the south side, as well as the central and north, certainly you get busy. So imagine everything, sort of tidying everything up, getting everything ship shape, ready for opening and ready for a brand new season. So just a bit of a shot of Blackpool Tower. You can see right in the distance. We are right deep into to South Shore, and it's absolutely bitter this afternoon, early evening. I can certainly feel the nip in the air. But yeah, what a lovely sort of shot that is. Just Blackpool Tower, like I said, it's like a little stick, a little pinprick right in the very distance. And who remembers this one? It's the Queen's Hotel, just on the promenade south side, and you can see it's like they're getting some work done to that. You see that skip and like a huge pipe going down. So it's like there's a bit of work being carried out on the Queen's Hotel. That's certainly quite a big hotel, to be fair. So we just approached Bath Tree, and what I'm going to do is have a quick look around. Who remembers the Woolworths and the Hearts, what got pulled down several months ago, quite a bit ago, to be fair. We're going to have a quick peek, just see if there's anything being sort of built on, or what's going on that little plot of land. And like I say, it's just around the corner. So we're going to have a quick look, see if there's any update on that one. So there's the old Woolworth store, and that got demolished several months ago now, and we did cover that one. But you can see, as of yet, everything is exactly the same, being pulled down and gravelled over, no change at this present time. So this is Bond Street, just near the Woolworth store, what used to be, shall I say now. And you can see, looks like there's a huge project going on with this one. This has been sort of like sectioned off and scaffolded up for several months now. So I'm not too sure what is going on with this. Like I said, they did sort of cut into the property when they decided to pull the Woolworth store down. Whether it's remnants of that or, you know, something is happening. with this one. But like I say, it's been scaffolded up for several months, just on that Bond Street. So we're now just on Bolton Street, just having a bit of a walk around. We rejoined the promenade, but just thought I'd show you Bolton Street in Blackpool. Again, nothing's really sort of changed in the last few months, and it's just nice having a bit of a walk down, just exploring different places. And not too sure what's happened with this one. See, that one's probably sort of fire damaged or something. That's boarded up. There probably used to be a shop at one stage. We now just approached the back of Yates's. We're not going to video this one, as we've done that sort of many a times. And you can still see, like I said, nothing is happening with this one at present. But let's hope, you know, in the near future, somebody takes it over. So just approached Central Pier, and again, not much happening around this section either. So, you know, the whole of the south and the central, you know, there's hardly anybody about, to be fair. And I guess it's that sort of time of day and that time of year where there's not many sort of people around. But I'll tell you what is around is the Starlings. And let's see if they put a bit of a display on. Let's move the camera around to the left. And you can see they're just all congregating at the moment near the big wheel. And they seem to sort of land around here, and then they head over to the North Pier. So we'll see if we can catch them in a few moments. So there's not much excitement or not much really sort of going on in Blackpool. On a bit of a, like I said, a bit of a cold and a miserable Monday, shall I say. Like I said, the weather's not too bad, just very cold, but certainly nothing going on in Blackpool to write home about. So I just thought I'd bring you the Starlings near the North Shore. I don't think I planned this very well, so I'll come down some steps. I'm just hobbling along just so I can get some shallow water so I can cross. I don't think I planned this out very well. So I just arrived on the beach, so one of my feet is completely soaked, so I attempted to jump in, and yeah, it didn't quite work out. But yeah, I just thought I'd capture the sunset and the amazing show the Starlings put on for us. Absolutely incredible just to witness this. And you can see they're all like, there's some sort of land here, then the take off, the spiral around the bottom of the pier, and then they come back again. And there must be, I'd say probably sort of 10,000, 20,000 Starlings. It certainly is magical what they put on. It certainly brings and attracts many people just taking pictures and witnessing such an event, to be fair. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's not much going on in Blackpool, but the Starlings certainly put a magical and a great show on for everybody at the end. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and like I said, any comments I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And until next time, take care of yourselves, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye.